Hi guys, I'm off to the airport. I've quickly done this look. There's no contouring. It took about 7 to 8 minutes to do the whole thing. I'm going to take some pictures outside in daylight and show it to you, but this is how it's going to look and give it a try. You can call it an airport look, which is almost like my everyday look, but it's going to be quick. So I'm going to just start. I'm going to take my Studio Fix. I've moisturized my face. I've used my sunscreen. Everything is done. So no liquid foundation. I want it to be comfortable. So just my Studio Fix. I'm going to take this stick eyeshadow and just use a little bit and just blend it out with my finger. Use as much as you want and then just add more if you need. These are total lifesavers. Any brand, just see if you find some good stick eyeshadows with neutral shades like this. Just makes life easy. Then I'm taking this brown coal and I'm going to just put it on my lower outer lash line and then just smudge it out a bit. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'll bring a little on the top. I think that's more than enough. Same with the other eye. Keeping some smudge brushes of different sizes just makes life easy. Just smudge away. Then I'm going to set my eyebrows. Quickly curl my lashes. And I'm gonna add a mascara. Today I'm using the Huda one. First the volume side. Now the curl and length side. Eye makeup is done. Now lipstick, new lip liner, line it and fill it out. Double lip liner. I'm using Casablanca by Tom Ford because it's handy. I'm in a hurry. Maybe a little blush. I'm not going to contour for the airport, but a little blush is fine. So I think that's pretty enough for the airport. I'll try and take some pictures in daylight because this light is my dressing table light, which is very bright. So hope you like it. It took about 8 minutes to do this, that too with all my talking. Give it a try. This is my airport look for today.